Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make diet banana bread. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on healthier alternatives that don't compromise on flavor. You'll learn how to select the best bananas and substitute traditional ingredients for lighter options. This recipe is designed to be simple and delicious, perfect for a guilt-free treat. Let's get baking. Now let's get to mixing. First, mash your ripe bananas until they are smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, ensuring they are well combined. Then, in another bowl, mix your dry ingredients. Finally, gently fold the dry mixture into the wet ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for tender banana bread. It's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour your batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before slicing. Congratulations, you've made a wonderful loaf of diet banana bread. For the best experience, slice and serve it warm. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. If you want to enjoy it longer, individual slices freeze beautifully. Just thaw and warm them up for a quick, healthy treat anytime. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.